Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use Bluestack. Alright, I'm going to be teaching you guys. I'm also going to be telling you guys how you guys can download it as well. Alright, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on, shall we? First step, to download it, open your web browser. I'm gonna use Google Chrome, and over here you just want to search for Bluestack. Alright, now after you search for Bluestack over here, what you want to do is click on where it says download Bluestacks. Once you click on it, it's gonna take you to the download page. Over here just click on download Bluestack 5. Once you download it, install Bluestack. Once you download and install Bluestack and open it, it's gonna open up just like this. It might look a bit different, it might be like a bit fatter, it might be a bit thin, like depends on the resolution. Alright, but if you want to change the resolution, what you can do is click on the setting icon. Once you click on the setting icon, it's gonna take you over here. You can go and display, and you can change the resolution over here, and you can change your performance style over here. You can change the graphics over here. So this is basically the setting area. Alright, if you want to change anything, just change it, and at the bottom click on save changes and it'll be changed. And to go out of setting, you can click on cross. So that's how you guys can change setting on Bluestack. Now in order to use it, first when you open Bluestack, it's basically Android. It's like Android phone which you can run on your PC. Alright, once you open it, basically however you use your phone, you can use Bluestack just like that. To play games, you can go on Play Store and log in into your Google Play account. If you guys have already done that, then it's gonna open up just like this. I've already logged in into my Google account, that's why it's over here. Once you do that, you can click on search, and you can search for whichever game you want or whichever app you want. And the app which is available for Android is gonna be available. It's gonna be available over here. Alright, app which is available for iOS only is not gonna be available over here. Only app available for Android is gonna be available over here. So let's say I want to download Telegram, I can search for it, and in order to download it, I can just click on install. It'll download and install. Once it's download and install, I can play Telegram or do whatever I want. And to go back, you need to click on this arrow button over here, and it goes back. If you want to go to home, you need to click on the home button. It'll take you to home. If you want to open multiple apps at the same time, then you can click on this, and it's going to show you all the apps which is running on your phone right now, or like on Bluestack, and click on clear all of it will be clear. So yeah, these are all the basic things you need to know in order to run, or like in order to use Bluestack, and I've taught you. So if you guys found our tutorial helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.